Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today's recipe is full of the bone good. This beef stew recipe is amazingly tender. It's not gonna break the bank, it's budget friendly, and it's so simple to make. Let me show you how, and let's get started. One pan or pot is all you need to make this recipe happen. You're gonna need a good amount of butter, 1 cup of finely chopped sweet onion. You're gonna let it sweat for 10 minutes. We're building the flavor slowly, so everything needs to take its time. 10 minutes later, I'm gonna add some sweet peppers. To that, I'm gonna add 2 chili peppers. You can skip this step if you don't like your food to be spicy. You're gonna cook and let it sweat as well. Add 2 cups of diced gold Yukon potatoes, and you can absolutely do carrots instead of the peppers. I just chose to add peppers to this recipe, but you can change it up, no problems. You can choose not to add the peppers if you don't like it to be a little spicy. I'm adding a touch of cayenne as well, 2 bay leaves, and a good amount of tomatoes. The tomatoes should taste very good. I chose some grape tomatoes and some cherry tomatoes. Whatever you have in the fridge really would work. You're gonna add a good amount of tomato sauce, about 15 ounces. Add 2 pounds of beef stew, just right on top of the vegetables. You're gonna season the beef well with salt and black pepper. I'm gonna add a touch of allspice as well. It might not be very familiar, but it's gonna add so much good flavor to the dish. Add some beef stock or just water, and you're gonna cook low and slow for 3 hours. So add the stock or the water, let it come back to a boil, cover, and in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 hours or until very, very tender. You can absolutely cook this on top of the stove, very, very low heat until very tender. And it makes a great slow cooker recipe. This is a smothered beef stew and it's so good. You like it spicy, keep the peppers. You don't like it spicy, remove the peppers. Serve with mashed potatoes or white rice. If you're liking my recipes, please don't forget to subscribe, follow on social media. The links are going to be in the description box below. And until next time, bon appétit!